I know. Where has NESFAB been, right? That's what the internet is asking. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the shop, and welcome to the start of the 2024 race season. So, I know it's been maybe a month, 2, 4, 5 months. I don't know when the last upload was for the NESFAB channel, but we're back. Weather's getting warmer, and racing is starting to happen. Well, unfortunately, not here in Colorado at Bannerman, because most of you are local, or even if you're like pretty well into the drag racing scene, you guys know that Bannerman closed last year. That was last year for us. So still no 100% news on when the next track's going to open and all that type of stuff. But there's a couple races out of state that we're going to try to attempt to go to. There's still some testing that's going to happen down at Pueblo Raceway. So I mean, the car, we pretty much have everything for the car that we need. Luckily this off season was not very expensive. Well, I take that back. It started off very expensive because we got to get the transfer case, which I'll show you guys here in a second. And then we did pick up another turbo, which you guys kind of seen that too, so I'll go over that here in a second too. But yeah, so that's kind of like the initial plans. I'm not going to ramble on too much. 2024 race season here in Colorado doesn't really exist. If we want to race competitively, whatever. You know that C word? Competitively. What the hell? Why is that so hard to say? If we want to be competitive and race for money, there we go. We're going to word it that way. We'll have to go out of state. Said otherwise, just here in there is one race I think that PFI is doing at the end of August down at Pueblo. I don't know the full details on that, but so this year big changes are built T case, like fully built, can't do anything else, top of the line. If it breaks, I don't know what to say. I mean, this is the same T case setup that boosted, runs on the Red Demon. So fastest DS in the world, multiple like 1.2, I think 160 foots on this thing. So like we're not even going to be going close to putting the power that they put to that transfer case to this one. So that should be good. And we're also swapping turbo sizes. So all last season we were running the 7685 next gen. Well, this season we're going to be running the 6785 next gen. So went down compressor wheel size. That allows us to take 200 pounds off the car. And I'm hoping that spool up launch is it's not going to be crazy difference, but I'm hoping that helps. Obviously the weight off the car, 200 pounds, is huge, and then that allows us to race in a couple different classes if we want. So I'll take you guys over here. So 6785 right here. We dropped this guy off over at Preston. You guys know him, Garage Idiots. He does powder coating, thermal ceramic coating, or Cerakote or Cerakote, however you want to say it. And then here's the big 7685. So we're still holding on to this one, just in case, whatever. We got rid of the Gen 2 7685 to pick up the next gen 6785. So those are the turbos now. So yeah, Preston did all the powder coating on stuff on this, and we had a couple other little pieces coated, swirl pot and all this stuff. Oh yeah, these are picked these up too. Some guy I didn't know they existed. I can't remember his name on Facebook, but I picked these up at BPR Bulletproof Racing. Some billet quick hinges for the doors now, so we'll get those on so we can pop on and off the doors really quick and get them out of our way, because working on these cars with roll cages in the way and like trying to work down around the floorboard, pedals and stuff, and with the door still on, is a giant pain in the ass. So we picked those up, so that should be a quick swap. And then I've kind of done some initial pictures and stuff on this thing. I don't think I've done a video touching on it too much, but here it is in all its glory. So we had Tim Zimmer over at TMZ put it all together. Quick rundown: it's a Magnus back half with the boosted middle section. No one aftermarket makes a tailpiece right now, so it's just an OEM tailpiece. It is obviously bored out for the 300mm output shaft. We picked up the Frontline Fab T-case brace, and what's the big upgrade is the internal gears. So we also picked up the billet gears from Magnus as well. So This thing is as built as you can get it, man. So I'd billet everything, T-case brace, the gears inside. Tim, you know, set it up with the shim preloads and all that type of stuff. Even got my name on it. So we gotta slap that back in the car, which that's really easy to do. So we got a few things to do. Oh, and then one more thing is the new slipper valve. So there's the new solenoid for the slipper valve. We got rid of the Magnus Pro slipper, you guys, and we're going with the clutch tamer. Why can't I think about it? It's because I haven't been out here in the garage for like months. The clutch master, the Hitmaster, there we go, sorry, the Hitmaster control valve. So there's actually two pieces to it, and I started getting it wired up. This is a wiring mess. So like, here's the other part, and I'll go into more detail on that on another video. If anyone's curious on like the install and stuff, I'll cover that completely on another video. So we just got to get this thing back together, get it on the ground, and we actually don't have too much work to get this thing like race ready. So yeah, that's just a quick little update what we got going on over here, what the plans are. Said the weather's getting better, it's getting warmer, tracks are starting to open here kind of on the northern part of the United States. So gotta get my butt into action. So but once we get this thing done, we got another DSM that we're going to be rolling in here to kind of do some quick fixes and get that stuff going. But we'll make separate videos. I kind of teased or showed you guys that, I think, last year or whenever it showed up here. So we got to get that one knocked out too, and try to get that one to where you can do some racing with it this year. So yeah, that's the plan. Again, I know you guys have been wondering where NesFab at, the whole internet, everywhere. Everyone's asking on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, just like it's blowing. I'm like, I'm right here. I'm right here. All 677 of you, I think, is what we're up to now, subscriber wise. So appreciate every single one of you. And yeah, that's the plan. So we're going to start slapping this stuff on. We'll set up the camera. We'll get rocking and rolling, you guys. GSD, baby. We're back. All right, well, we gotta start off by getting this turbo prep to go on there. Show me the all damn day. Show me the all damn day. All damn day. Go. Aha! Beautimus. Beautimus. Show me the all damn day. look at that. She spins. She spins nice. How's she looking there? Nice. No metal on metal. It's clearance in. It's centered right. Looks good.
Show me the all damn day. Show me the all damn day. All damn day.
Here. Just like that. Oh, she went on. Okay, I'm gonna get these bigger ones in first too, though, because they don't tend to go off. Oh shit! Almost dropped that thing. Okay. Oh, she slid on there, boys. ST case is on. Whew, she's a tight fit, but she fits. Alright, let's impact it up now. Oh, trusty 17er. What, you don't want to go in your hole? You better go in. I hope I have to get the ratchet and do those two. Okay. Easy breezy, beautiful. Well, that last clip you guys just saw was me finishing up installing the transfer case. I'm sure you can see over here, this car isn't gray anymore. I got in a hurry. I forgot to do like an outro for that last video, but we got NFT on the ground. We threw in some fluid and stuff to the transfer case, and we towed her to the storage lot back there. So she's sitting outside, but yeah, we brought in Buckley's car, this 1G. So we got a bunch of stuff I want to knock out on this real quick. He'll be over here helping throughout the process. So, but anyways, that's an update on NFT. That's kind of where we stand. We still got a list of stuff to do on it, but we're gonna knock out some stuff. Well, not stuff, but we're gonna knock out this car, get this car going, and then we'll get NFT back in and get it finished up for the race season. So anyways, we're back. Videos are gonna start coming out. I ain't gonna say how many and how often and stuff, but we'll start putting out content again on the channel. Thank you guys for subscribing. Make sure you share, tell a friend, all that good stuff. Catch you guys on the next one.